like staring at a burning sun. Got teeth like razor blades, and you know that we're out for blood. We're out for blood. Better run, better run. 'Cause here it comes, here it comes. Better run, better run. When the wolves come out to play.
What happened? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. Dalton and I slept in this morning. That's the first thing I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Thankfully, so did the turkeys. They didn't come down till well after first light. We were sitting, beautiful little spot and little hole in amongst some fence and stuff. Birds came down, watched them fly down out of this gully here. Incredible experience, so much fun. 2 toms, what was there, half a dozen hens? So came strutting down. I arranged this little scrub spruce here, 33 yards. He came just past it. I made one motion up to draw on him. Just as I did, he ducked in behind a hen, sat back down, waited a little longer. He cleared the hen, came a little closer, ranged him 30 yards on the dot, sat up and hit him. He's right down in that hole right now. Just gonna give him a little time to expire. I'm excited.
Oh, you got 2 arrows in them.
I got 2 arrows in him.
Yeah, and everybody else slept in too.
Everybody else slept in too. What do you want in here?
Alright. So, it's done.
It is
Paddy
so.
got his bird. And poop on his fingers.
Yeah.
It's pretty early here. And we both slept in this morning. Actually, everyone slept in this morning.
Everyone slept in this morning.
But, heard the birds chirping, sun rays beating on my face, and I'm like, oh, we gotta go.
Well, the sun wasn't quite out yet.
It's close.
It was close.
So anyway, we made her up here and sat down before they come down off the roost. Freaking, not very much time though.
Not very much time. We weren't far ahead of them, that's for
10,
certain.
15 minutes maybe.
About that.
So, but yeah, and Tyler put a dandy of a shot on him. Nice. Probably an 8.5 inch beard, something like that.
That's what I'm gonna guess.
Later, but
Somewhere around 8.
nice, very nice bird.
Nice Tom. Nice spurs for sure.
Yeah. And then I was trying to get up because the bird ran over the hill to get more video, but I think I screwed it up.
Yeah, we'll have to look at the footage, but
Yeah. But yeah, no,
Pretty
it's
pumped, man.
fucking awesome.
I can't get enough of these birds. The color in them is just awesome.
Yeah. Well, we'll get them cleaned up.
Mm-hmm.
Try for another one or two. It's just me and
Two
Dylan
more.
left.
2 more tags to go.
That's it.
We'll get it done.
Oh, we got another 6 days. So we should be able to get
We're
something.
doing all right.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks again for bringing me out, Dalton.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
So we're sitting in the same spot Tyler shot his yesterday morning. It is now the sixth day, maybe something. And we're hoping to smoke another one. There was another Tom with his, so we're really gonna try it and see how it goes. Don went back to the farm where basically everybody missed theirs. And yeah, wish us good luck. So we're back. This morning didn't work out. Yeah, just everything messed up, so I never got a bird. And me and Tyler are back in the spot where he shot his. And I know there's a Tom over there. We just seen him on the way in. We're sitting in the blind today. And hopefully they walk by us. We're here about 5-ish, 5:30. And we got till 8. See if we can make something happen. The wind changed and freaking deer scared away. We had a beautiful Tom coming up the back. 3 deer come in, wind swirled. They're blowing at us. The turkeys turned around and almost. They might come back. Who knows? We're up here for the evening today, and we found a few toms over in the middle of the field, so we're going to try to cut through these trees, stay low, and try to cut them off, and hopefully we can get within range. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. There he is, right there. on to the close one.
You missed? Dude. Oh, sorry, I missed that. Oh my goodness. Did he get up?
Yeah.
Just hold on. Oh, dude, he's hurt. Yep, he's done. That is unreal footage, man. Dude. That is unreal.
I think I just slit his throat.
Well, did you shoot higher?
Yeah.
You did, eh?
Well, he was at 40, 46, 48.
Yeah.
But he took a few steps, so I used my 50.
Dude, right here, brother. That is awesome. That is awesome. Oh yeah, he's done.
I think I got him.
I'm sorry, but I was trying to look up after the shot, and I missed a little bit, I think. Oh yeah, he's done. Should we go up and look?
I can't believe that worked.
Yeah, I know. Action.
Well, I don't really know where to start. I did not think this whole plan was gonna work out, but no, it actually worked out great. We snuck behind the manure pile there, and I was able to peek around and get a range on him at 48 yards. I shot him a little bit higher than I was expecting. He took a few steps, so I put my 50 on him. But I think I just cut his throat, and he bled out. He wandered around here for a little bit, but eventually come to. Yeah, no, that's second kill for the new Matthews here, and the Black Widow broadheads worked great. 48 yards, hit exactly where I wanted to. Big thanks to Three Brothers Archery for setting me up for all this. Get back here, bro. All right. Ugh. And yeah, thanks to Brody for helping me out with this little trip.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm actually still in shock that it worked out, because I was not expecting it to at all.
No. Usually stocks on turkeys don't work out at all, and we just worked out perfect. These birds, we watched them feed for about 2 hours.
I even had a nap in the middle of them.
And we had an idea where they were going to roost, and we just got set up. Our blinds are on another section, so we just got set up behind an old brush pile on the property, and we sat there for 2 hours and watched what they were doing, and then we realized that they weren't going to come quite by us, but we had an opportunity that in the middle of this pasture there's a bit of a manure pile there. If we use that, we can get behind that, and the birds would be roughly probably 40 yards from us. So we did that. Then we exposed ourselves a bit to get a shot, and you know, they didn't like that, and they started to walk off a bit, and Dylan ranged it, and it was what, 54? Or not 54,
48.
48, sorry. So a little bit farther than we normally like to do, but when the bird's walking away from you, it's a way better target than, you know, broadside and that. So
Yeah.
Dylan felt comfortable. There's no wind or nothing, so he let one go, and yeah, bird
Right
went
on.
down.
Now it's time to
So-
go clean them up and have another beer.
Absolutely. Head her down the hill.
Right on.
All right. We'll
Thanks
catch
for
you guys
watching.
later.
So this morning we were sitting in the blind. We sat there for 3 and a bit hours, and we had that Tom there at 40 yards was the closest. There's 38 when he was walking by us here, and he was just out of range for 2 hours. So now we're gonna walk back to the truck and go get some breakfast and come back, set up a different blind in a different area where then we'll have 2 here anyway. Figure that out. But yeah, let's walk down to the truck and get out of here.
Sounds good.
Let Brody do the interview. You want me to do the interview? Okay.
He sucks.
No, I don't. Are you recording this still? Yeah. That's horrible. Just a bunch of mean assholes. Oh, can't swear on camera.
Okay.
So, do I do the interview?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Oh, okay. Hey guys. Okay, so we're sitting here at this property that we have permission that Tyler got his bird. We got Dylan on the camera. I'm just kind of a camera assistant today. Just, yeah, and then there's Tyler Solmonson. I think, yeah,
You think?
I think.
That's Tyler.
Oh, that's Tyler? He always looks that messed up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then, then we got Dalton the shooter. He's the last guy at the tag on this trip, so Dalton's been watching a bird in here now for a while. I don't even know if they gave him a nickname. His name is Freddie.
It's not a nickname, that's his full first
Oh, is that his first name?
Yeah.
Freddie Mercury?
No,
Oh.
Freddy Krueger.
Freddie Cougar. Oh,
Because he looks like he has 3 beards.
looks like he has 3 beards. So,
His beard looks like Freddy Krueger.
so Dalton has been after here now for a while trying to get him. So we actually seen him on the way in here. So we're hoping that those birds will stick to their normal routine and work down this hillside to us, and that Dalton will get a shot at. But this is a pretty cool hunt because we've all filled our tags, so this is just a chance for all 4 of us just to hang out and hopefully get Dalton the bird. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll hopefully have a bird on the ground here for you guys.
What just happened, bro?
Well, we sat here probably close to 2 hours, and we watched the birds come from behind us, and we knew they were going to feed around us because Dalton and Tyler have said they've been going up to this ridge through this old gate and going back into the woods to roost back there. So we were just going to sit them out, wait till they came back for going to the roost, and they were just out of range. I mean, the Tom, he was following the flock up, and he was probably, I don't know, 10 yards behind them. But yeah, he just wasn't really offering a shot. He wouldn't stop moving, and then when he did, it was range was 37 to 40 yards. A little far for a turkey, just because their kill zone was so small. So.
And Dalton's only good to 30.
And yeah, Dalton's only good to 30, so Dalton decided to let them pass. So yeah, so they should be roosted up tonight, and then hopefully in the morning they'll come back down the normal route, and we'll be set up for them.
25 yards, not even.
At 25 yards, yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it works tomorrow. So that's what.
drilled them.
Awesome, man. Nice shooting.
The spurs on this sucker. He's got one beard, but he is tick.
Huge. That's got to be 10.
Smoked him.
Did you ever? Fantastic.
Holy.
That's a big bird. Really nice bird.
That was an awesome bird.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
That is unreal.
Too good.
Finally paid off.
Finally paid off. Been out here for what? 4 or 5
I don't know, we've been
days
hunting
now?
this bird for
Hunting this
while. A while.
Yeah. Man, is that exciting. I was on my last arrow. I had 1 arrow left after that one with 3 fletches instead of 4. Other than that, I was out. So, man, did that ever pay off? It's too good. Awesome. And I want to thank everybody that needs to be thanked, and they know who they are, because I'm not thinking of it right now. Maybe him, Brody. But yeah,
Where'd you get that bow from?
3 Brothers Archery,
There you go.
of course.
You gotta get that in there.
Yeah. No, they're a big help, 3 Brothers Archery. Yeah, set you up with whatever you need. For sure. Yeah. I'm just too excited. But yeah. Look at that.
Nice, man. Look at that beard.
Let's get them done up.
Guess what?
We're tagged out
We are
too.
tagged out, which means we can sleep in tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe have a beer.
That's 6 guys and 6 birds, man. Can't get any better.
No, that's freaking awesome.
Let's get some pictures with it, boys.
You betcha. Let's find that arrow quick.
First of all, I don't
where'd that arrow
down
go?
with your...
Dude, I'm a gimp.
How's the spurs?
Look at that. Look where you hit, though. Look at that wing. That perfect time to put my wing. Yeah, I see that. The other way of the camera.
Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it did a number, man. Just a
Drilled
hole.
him.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Right there. Beautiful. Let's find that arrow
Right.
quick.
Way to go, fellas. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Oh, you think?
Yeah,
Just
you
kidding.
know.
No, you social distance.
Yeah. Well, Mr. Dalton,
Go.
how are you feeling?
Ah, I'm stoked. So happy.
Perfect way to end the trip, eh?
Basically last day.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty freaking jacked.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm just getting the blinds put away now.
Hunk of junk. That's what it is.
Well,
That is a very successful trip.
yeah, absolutely.
6 tags, 6 birds, right? 6?
Yeah, all tags are full, yeah.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6.
Yeah, all 6.
And it's absolutely incredible, to be honest.
It is.
And 6
you want
toms,
your bow for tomorrow? Maybe
not
we
at
can
1
go for
Jake
some?
either.
Not one Jake, no, all
Where's
Toms.
my bow?
Brody's got it there. No, it, yeah. Job well done.
Like a war machine that keeps time.